Pythagorean theorem. So we got a right triangle. We know two sides of it. And we're looking for the third side. So you got the right angle here. The two sides that touch that, so this side and this side, are going to be called A and B. And they can be either way. So you can put like B up here, A down here, either way. And then the side we're looking for is X. In the Pythagorean theorem, it's usually called C. But you can do either. So the Pythagorean theorem says A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Or X squared. You guys have seen this before, I think, right? In algebra, you do a little bit? Okay. So A is 9.1, so it's going to go 9.1 squared. B is 7.6, so it's going to go 7.6 squared. And then C squared is just C squared. Yeah. And then I'm going to use my calculator and figure out what all that stuff is. There's people, like everyone's calculator is different, so you might not know where your squared button is. Let me do mine and show you what you should get, but we'll see if you're getting it also. So 9.1, mine has a button that just says X squared, so I just hit squared. And it'll square it. Plus 7.6 squared. So you should get 140.57. So I'll just do another line, make sure you got 140.57, so everyone's calculator is like different, and maybe you can find it. Not our answer. That's enormous. That's way too big for the answer. That's C squared. So what's the opposite of squaring something? Square rooting something. So I'm going to square root that side, which, like, the square and the square root just cancel, so I get C. And then you got to type into your calculator the square root of 140.57. So again, everyone's calculator is kind of different. But mine has, like, where the X squared button was, the blue part written above it, so it's like shift. So if I hit second in the X squared, that's square root on mine. Second then your X squared button. So a lot of you have the same calculator as me. So then you can just hit that and then type in your 140.57 and hit enter, and I got 8586. So again, just go walk around, make sure you find your square root button, make sure you don't type it in. That's the actual answer. You guys find the square root? No good? So that's it. That's the lesson right there. I'll do a couple more. But I've essentially done, that's all the new stuff. So let's say number 2. So I got my right angle. The two sides that are touching it become A and B. And then the hypotenuse, or the other side, becomes C. It's always A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And then what's A? 0.6. Square that in a second. B, 9.6. Square that in a second. That equals C squared. I'm going to type all that stuff in. And I would just type it in all at once. I think that's easier than doing like two separate things and then adding them together. I get 105.12 equals c squared. Agree? Is it the same thing? And then what? What do I do from there? Square root it. So I get 10.25. So one quick thing you can check, the side we get should be the biggest side on your triangle. So I've got 3.6, 9.6. If I got like 4, that doesn't make sense because it's got to be bigger than this side. 10.25 is the biggest side on my triangle. If I go back and look at number 1, 11.86 is the biggest side on my triangle. So it doesn't like guarantee that you're right, but it's a good checkpoint. Questions? Yeah. So your job is to do all 20 and turn in. Should I keep going? I gotta do more. Okay. No, don't do more. You're adamantly opposed to me teaching more. Okay. What? As long as you're in. There's gonna be a test on Friday. Yeah, but it's at like 1 o'clock, so I think we're clear. No, it's a little shorter, but that's fine. Remember the quiz last time? You guys were all done. I'll make sure you have enough time to finish. So tomorrow we'll finish up the unit. Next day's practice test. Friday's test. Yeah. Okay, so let's say you did the first thing and you got that, and you're saying like I don't want to like retype it.
Yeah.
Raise it to the 0.5 power, and that's the same as.